We're moving like robots and flipping some timers. That's right, it's 20-second showdown from Big Potato Games. This time-sensitive task test pits 5 to 20 players in 2 teams against each other in a competition to keep all the sand. Setup begins with the choosing of a referee. The remaining players split into 2 teams sitting opposite each other. The referee then tips the timer until there's an equal amount of sand in both halves, 20 seconds on each side. Spin the timer on its side, and the side that ends up facing a team is their color for the game, blue team or yellow team. Shuffle the challenge deck and place it near the ref. Each card has 2 challenges on it. The ref decides which side to use for each round. Each team takes a baton and hands it to the player who will take the first challenge. Once a challenge is complete, they'll pass it to a new player on their team. Finally, each team gets a help card. What if we made this an ASMR show?
Just listen to the sound of these grains of sand moving through the timer.
I went too far with the bit. Okay, gameplay occurs in rounds. The blue team goes first. The referee flips the timer so the blue team starts losing sand. The ref then quickly reads the top card of the challenge deck. The player on the blue team holding the blue baton must complete that challenge as fast as possible. Once completed, the ref flips the timer and reads the next challenge card for the yellow team. When they've completed challenges, players should pass the baton to a new player on their team. Additionally, a player may flip the help card once per round to get assistance on the challenge from their entire team. This back and forth continues until one team runs out of sand. The other team wins that round. At the end of each round, the timer resets and the losers go first. The first team to win 3 rounds wins the game, and that's 20-second showdown. You can find it at Walmart, Target, and Amazon retailers. I'm Becca Scott, and the name of my upcoming autobiography is Girl with the Audrey Hepburn Tattoo. You can watch me and my friends play this game and other fun games on Game the Game right here on Geek and Sundry. We'll see you there.